today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of e-commerce and exploring the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. We'll be discussing some interesting facts about e-commerce and taking a closer look at the origin, history, and strategies behind affiliate marketing. So, before we dive into today's video, kindly hit like, share, and subscribe. And now, let's get started. To understand the significance of affiliate marketing, let's first explore some intriguing facts about e-commerce. Did you know that retail e-commerce sales worldwide amounted to approximately $5.2 trillion in 2021? That's an astonishing figure, and it showcases the massive growth of online shopping in recent years. Fact number 1. In a global survey conducted by Rakuten Marketing, it was found that 81% of brands and 84% of publishers leverage affiliate marketing to drive their revenue. This demonstrates the widespread adoption of affiliate marketing across various industries. Fact number 2. E-commerce sales have been steadily increasing year after year, with more and more people choosing to shop online for convenience and a wider range of options. In 2021, e-commerce accounted for approximately 19% of worldwide retail sales. Fact number 3. Mobile commerce or m-commerce has become increasingly popular, with a significant portion of e-commerce transactions happening through smartphones and tablets. Statistics show that US quinquagenarians tend to shop through their mobile phones weekly. Over 2 in 10 US shoppers of ages 50 to 64 used m-commerce, and 11% of shoppers over the age of 65 also reportedly shop weekly on this platform. Fact number 4. The rise of social media has had a profound impact on e-commerce. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube have become powerful tools for businesses to showcase and sell their products. Fact number 5. Personalization is a key aspect of e-commerce. Online retailers leverage data and algorithms to offer tailored product recommendations and personalized shopping experiences. Now let's delve into the fascinating history of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals known as affiliates promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale they generate. This earned commission is usually a percentage of the price of the sold product or a flat rate per referral made. An effective variety of methods to generate excellent sales are used by many affiliate marketers, and this may include the use of organic search engine optimization, paid search engine marketing, email marketing, content marketing, display advertising, and organic social media marketing. But where did this affiliate marketing all begin? The concept of affiliate marketing on the internet can be traced back to the year 1989 when William J. Tobin launched PC Flowers and Gifts, a company that provided flower and gift services. Tobin's idea was to incentivize other websites to promote his company's products and earn a commission for every sale referred through those websites. Checking the company's startup, his company launched on the Prodigy network in 1989 and made use of a beta version in coordination with IBM in 1994. Using the web in 1995, a total of 2,600 affiliate marketers became his partners, and only in 1998 he made a business model with sales commissions to the Prodigy network and merged with Fingerhut and Federated Department Stores. A US patent for tracking and affiliate marketers was issued to him on October 31, 2000, and a Japanese patent on October 5, 2007. In the early 2000s, affiliate marketing started gaining momentum as more companies realized its potential. Amazon's affiliate program, launched in July 1996, played a crucial role, even though it was not the first merchant to offer this kind of program. It first became widely known, playing a part in popularizing the concept and serving as a model for subsequent programs. Over time, affiliate marketing has evolved, with new platforms and technologies making it easier for affiliates and businesses to collaborate. Affiliate marketing has come a long way since its inception, and today there are various strategies that affiliates and businesses employ to maximize their success. Let's explore some of these strategies. Strategy number 1: content marketing. It is a powerful strategy that affiliates leverage to attract and engage with their audience. It involves creating valuable and informative content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for the viewers. This could be in the form of blog posts, articles, videos, or podcasts. Incorporating affiliate links within their content is about purposely tailoring the valuable chosen content to your target audience to drive potential organic search engine traffic. When affiliates optimize their content for relevant keywords and provide valuable information, search engines like Google are more likely to rank their content higher in search results. These, in turn, drives organic traffic through their affiliate links and increases the likelihood of generating sales. In fact, this strategy is used by many prominent worldwide organizations, including P&G, Microsoft, and John Deere. Strategy number 2: influencer marketing. A hybrid of new and old marketing tools with brand collaboration with influencers leveraging their online presence and social media following to promote products or services. They often provide unique discount codes or special offers to their audience, which helps drive conversions. This creates a sense of exclusivity and urgency, encouraging their followers to take action and make a purchase. Additionally, influencers often provide honest and authentic reviews of the products, which further enhances trust and credibility. This strategy is an effective way to acquire good sales as long as you find the right influencers who align with your niche and target audience. Affiliates often seek out influencers whose values and interests resonate with their products or services. This ensures that the influencer's audience is more likely to be interested in the promoted products, resulting in higher rates. Strategy number 3: email marketing. Affiliates build an email list and regularly send newsletter or product recommendations to their subscribers. A very powerful marketing channel that uses direct and digital marketing techniques to connect with the audience and promote products or services, establishing a direct line of communication with subscribers, nurturing relationships, and driving conversions. By including affiliate links in these emails, it makes their target customers to be fully aware of their latest items and offers, generating sales and earning commissions. Strategy number 4: comparison and review websites. Affiliates create websites dedicated to comparing and reviewing products within a specific niche. These websites serve as a valuable resource for consumers who are looking for in-depth information and unbiased opinions before making a purchase. Affiliates create comprehensive product comparisons and detailed reviews that highlight the features, pros, and cons of different products within a specific niche. By providing transparent and honest assessments, affiliates help consumers make informed decisions, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Comparison and review websites often include affiliate links within their content, redirecting users to recommended products. The key to success with this strategy is to focus on providing genuine value and prioritizing the best interests of the consumers. When users trust the information provided on these websites, they are more likely to follow the recommendations and make a purchase through the affiliate links. And that wraps up our exploration of e-commerce facts in the world of affiliate marketing. We hope you found this video informative and gained a deeper understanding of how affiliate marketing works, its origin, history, and the various strategies employed by affiliates. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time.